Are you looking for some tools that will help your child calm down? Hi, my name is Jill. Welcome to Hey Mom. Let's get started. I want to apologize for the noise. They're doing some construction downstairs. So in my last video, I did a whole video on breathing to regulate yourself. And for this video, I'm going to give you two different things that you can make that you can put in your kid's cool down corner. Now, it doesn't need to be a corner. It can be anything. My son loves his teepee, and that's where he cools down when he is feeling overwhelmed. And you know, these are going to be little tools I'm going to introduce to him. I've used these tools in different places, all in the general idea of helping the kid to regulate themselves and to calm down. When we're dealing with strong emotions, it is hard to do that, and sometimes we need some tools. So I want to show you the two tools that I'm going to help you make today. Definitely suggest making, if you're going to make these, to make sure that you glue the tops on, as we know kids will try to open them. I know a lot of people will suggest using hot glue, but I went a little bit further because I know my son, so I used super glue and glued that top real good. Every kid is very different, so what is calming for one child might not be calming for another. Try them all out. See what works best with your child. I want to know, is there a tool that you use with your child that helps them calm down? Let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell button. And of course, please share. Until next time, stay safe, stay lovely. I want to show you this. It's awesome. How awesome this is. There's so many goodies inside. Oh. This is totally my jam. I love these. But look at this. All the little bubbles. Woohoo. And glitter. Super cool. I know kids like this one. I've seen so many kids love these.